Dear students, in previous class I had solved type 1 and type 2 questions from exercise 2.1 and type 3 questions are left. So I am going to solve from type 3. 3 number questions. Samira purchased 3 half kg apples and 4 3 by 4 kg orange. What is the total weight of fruits purchased by her? Weight of apples purchased by Samira. Answer 3. Weight of apples is equal to 3 half kg is equal to 7 by 2 kg, and weight of orange purchased by Samira. Weight of orange is equal to 3 by 4 kg. 3 by 4 kg is equal to 19 by 4 kg. We have to find the total weight of the fruits. Total weight of fruits. Total weight of fruits is equal to 7 by 2 plus 19 by 4 is equal to 4 LCM 14 plus is equal to 'Total weight of the fruits purchased by Samira is equal to 8 1 by 4 kg. In question number 4, Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part of an exercise, while Seema solved 4 by 5 of it. Who solved the lesser part? रमेश अपने एक्सरसाइज का प्रश्नावली का 2/7 भाग हल किया और सीमा 4/5 भाग हल किया. Who solved lesser part? Part solved by Ramesh. 4 number question. Part of exercise solved by Ramesh is equal to 2 by 7 and Seema solved 4 by 5. who solved the lesser part. Part of exercise solved by Ramesh is equal to 2 by 7 and Seema solved 4 by 5 parts. Which is greater and which is lesser? Here 2 by 7 and 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10 and 7, 2 into 5 is 10 and 4 into 7, 4 into 7 barabar 28. Here 20, 10, 10 less than 28, so 10 less than 28, so Ramesh solved the lesser parts. Ramesh solved the lesser part then. So Ramesh solved lesser part, then solved lesser part, then Seema. Which is greater and which is lesser? To distinguish, we multiply multiply 2 into 5 is equal to 10 and 7 into 4 is equal to 28. We see that 20 is less than 28, so Ramesh solved the lesser part, then Seema. And question number 3, 4. Now only 2 questions are left in this exercise. One question I want to solve 6 number. A triangle is attached with a rectangle. We have to find the perimeters of in the given figure. A triangle is attached with a rectangle. We have to find the perimeter of triangle ABE, perimeter of rectangle BCDE, and also we have to find whose perimeter is greater. Question number 6 of type 3. Answer 6. A triangle, we construct a triangle and from one side of triangle a rectangle is attached. Measurement of sides are given 5 by 2 centimeter, 5 by 2 centimeter, 5 by 2 centimeter, 3 by 5 centimeter one side, and third side is 3 by 4, 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeter, and only one side of a rectangle is given 7 by 6 centimeter, 7 by 6 centimeter. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. Here. We know that sum of all sides of a geometrical figure is called perimeter. Here, 3 sides of a triangle three sides of a triangle is given 5 by 2 centimeter. One side, second side of triangle is 3 whole 3 by 5 centimeter, and third side of triangle is 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeter, and one side of rectangle is 7 by 6 centimeter. At first I am going to find the perimeter of triangle ABE. Perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to AB plus BE plus AE is equal to AB side is 5 by 2 centimeter, 5 by 2 plus BE is 2 whole 3 by 4, and the third side is 3 whole 3 by 5 centimeter.